Hi, I'm Brian. Today we'll be talking about Product Data Management, or PDM. What's PDM? Let's examine a typical product design process. Take this motorcycle design. There are a lot of work to create, because during concept design, we have to consider all the different product options and variants, type of engine, technology package, body color, and all the associated embedded software. The design might be a fully new idea or an existing concept that's been reworked. It could start from a sketch, a model, or several sketches or models. Once we have the concept, it's time to pass it on to engineering. Engineering looks at how we can actually turn the concept into a product. They'll design the mold, tools, software, electrical parts, assemblies, sub-assemblies, and more that are actually used to make the product design. Everything that'll help our product through its ups and downs. With all that's gone into this design process, you can imagine the number of different design and productivity platforms required, and the amount of data that's been created. Each designer or engineer and their associated project team may have their own way of indexing data and a unique location to store it. Data is likely to be overwritten or duplicated, causing rework, errors, and more. Overall, your design team will spend more time trying to search for accurate and up-to-date data than designing or innovating on the actual product. With a product data management system, you can help organize the data across your team, control access, and make it fast and easy